Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check who viewed your Snapchat profile. So for this, the first step is to open the Snapchat app. So from here you will have to go in the top left corner of profile icon, and you will have to scroll down and just tap to my public profile. So from here you will just tap to insights as the last option. So from here you will have to scroll down more, little bit scroll down. So in the last you will see the profile. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.